This is not clickbait. We know iPhone 15 has not been released yet, but we're excited about the new and improved features the iPhone 16 will be coming with. There have been some iPhone 16 leaks, and our duty is to keep you up to date with new developments.
That's what we're here for.
The iPhone 15 models are expected to feature solid-state buttons, and iPhone 16 rumors suggest that yet another hardware feature will be eliminated. Time to find out all there is to know about the iPhone 16. Design. The iPhone 15 Pro has been projected to come with a much lighter and more durable titanium covering as opposed to the stainless steel covering of the iPhone 14 Pro. This change is expected to materialize in only the Pro and Ultra models of the iPhone 15 smartphones. However, all four iPhone 16 models have been rumored to have titanium coverings. Titanium has proven to be a better material than stainless steel.
Rock solid.
In addition, the iPhone 16 models are expected to feature curved sides, just like the iPhone 15 models, with a prominent camera bump and a sleek look. There have also been rumors of a complete elimination of the charging port to give way to complete wireless charging. With time, we'll be bringing you more updates on that. In this video, we'll give you the projected release date and pricing of the iPhone 16 smartphones, so stay tuned.
Good, there's more coming.
Display. When it comes to display, analysts have stated that Apple will probably maintain the same screen dimensions as previous models. Expect a screen size of 6.1 inches for the iPhone 16 base model and the iPhone 16 Pro. The iPhone 16 Plus and Ultra will have a 6.7-inch screen. The smartphones will also feature OLED screens like the soon-to-be-released iPhone 15 models. Unlike the iPhone 15, which will only have a high peak brightness in its bigger models, we expect to see all four iPhone 16 models having a peak brightness of up to 2500 nits for an easy adjustment under bright sunlight to give convenience to the user. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more relevant tech reviews and updates. Also, turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of our videos. Release date and price. September has to be Apple's favorite month. The company releases most of its devices in the month of September. Over the years, the iPhone devices have been officially released in mid-September, and the iPhone 16 models are likely to follow suit. If you're willing to wait, the iPhone 16 models will be released within 10th to 15th of September 2024. The flagship devices are expected to have a price range of $899 to $1,799 depending on the model you opt for. The base model is usually the least expensive, while the Ultra costs the most.
Too expensive.
2024 is a bit far away, but we have good news for you. The iPhone 15 models will be released in a few months. It features a whole new design and an impressive chipset. You may want to check out our next video for a more comprehensive review of the iPhone 15.